I think entrepreneurship is being able to be a good engineer and solve problems, to be able to do so in a way that's marketable and you could make a business out of it.
We always say anyone can make anything, and I truly believe that. When someone comes in and they want to make something but they don't have any idea how to do that, that's what really excites me.
Being creative to me is kind of going outside of your comfort zone. Part of that is like making mistakes, but learning to overcome those mistakes.
You also collaborate with other people, whether it is your school project or your personal project.
And I'm hoping with the E&I program in mind that the students will come out of here and not have to go through kind of the hard knocks that I went through learning business and learning to be an entrepreneur.
It took me 19 years to really figure out what it was going to take, and the ecosystem that's being built, as I see it, is going to speed that process up tremendously.
And so having that ability to go through that process, whether it ends in a successful product to market in a business or whether it ends in a lesson learned, can be just as valuable. And that's what this provides, rather than having to get out in the real world first and then only get started. That process can start sooner.
President Johnson was like, I want to hear what students want. And we told him, we were like, we want entrepreneurship. We see that as the next phase in Minds' evolution, and it's happening.
I can see now that there's a much higher focus on entrepreneurship and innovation.
If you look at Minds and our history in entrepreneurship, you'll see that people succeeded because they were trying to do something that helps the overall good. And so you'll see not only students, staff, faculty, alumni, industry, local people that's motivated around solving problems that matter to people.
If I'm doing something where I need the machine shop and a 3D printing lab and an electronics workspace, it's all under one roof. And especially when it comes to senior design, it'll be really great to not have to worry about transporting something the size of me across campus.
Being able to work at the larger scale or with more precision, put fewer constraints on your imagination.
And it'll draw students to Minds and have that community to support each other in creating.
Whether they're mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, quantitative bioscience engineers, chemical engineers, and more. But when we get together to work on a project, we're really tying together all of our skills within engineering, within arts, and even teamwork and collaboration.
I see it as a sort of hub for students. Makers, people who are engineers for fun, in this entire ecosystem, help branch out and show people this is how you would do this is what you would need to do, and sort of be with them along the way.
I've already actually started a career. I work for Rocky Mountain Scientific Laboratories. That takes a lot of 3D printing knowledge, so it's already helping me in my career, and it sets me apart from all the other chemical engineers in my lab.
This is the graduate that our alumni have told us we need to create. This is the graduate companies have told us we need to create. And this is the graduate that our students coming in the door have said they want to be. And that's what we're trying to create with this entrepreneurship and innovation ecosystem. It's going to really transform the campus.